It's little quarter pounder official here, guys, and today we're going to be doing some butterfly tricks, guys. And hey, can you get out of my room? I'm trying to record. Thank you. So, guys, like I was saying, we're going to be doing some butterfly knife tricks, guys. And this is going to be pretty cool, guys. And but I had to get the cone version, guys, because my mommy said the real one was too sharp. So we got the cone one, guys. First of all, before we start the video, guys, I just want to say this video is sponsored by Gatorade, guys. Yeah, it's great, guys. Gatorade, and we also got sponsored by Doritos this video. So here we go, guys. First of all, I want to show y'all some pretty cool ones I made up. So here's one. And there we go, guys. That's the first one, guys. So here's the second one, guys. It's pretty cool. Yo, there we go, guys. That's how you do it, guys. Alright, I'm going to show you a couple more. This one was made by my friend at Reflex Nebula. Almost done here, guys. I want to show y'all one more, guys. And here we go. Wait. Oh, it's a fail. What up, guys? It's Little Quarter Pounder here. Don't forget to subscribe, like the video, and comment section below of what should I do next, guys. Little Quarter Pounder out, boys.